This is ABC15 News, taking action.
Well, science and engineering, they're going to the next level for Valley teens. We're talking from sharks to genetics to even Star Wars. The Arizona Science Center is out with a new series of workshops, sure to have something really for everybody.
Yeah, geared for people 13 to 17. It's called the Teen Science Scene. I like it. Pretty catchy name. So joining us this morning from the Arizona Science Center to tell us all about it, we have Nikki here. Nikki,
Hi.
Thanks for being with us. First, let me ask you this. How did you guys come up with this series? I think it's a great idea.
Yeah.
You know, the Science Center is very, very strong in their kindergarten through 8th grade science programs, but we don't really have a lot for teens, and so I really wanted to develop something for teens. And so these are programs or workshops that are designed specifically for kids between the ages of 13 and 17.
Right.
They're a little bit more sophisticated, much more hands-on, and so that was what the program was about.
So speaking of those workshops, what kinds of things are we talking about here?
Well, as you can see, we do different types of dissections. This is a rattlesnake dissection that we do.
Here.
Yeah.
This is a real
rattlesnake.
Yeah.
And we talk about sort of what makes up a snake, a rattlesnake, different from other snakes, different from other animals. So we do dissections. Another thing we do is we just recently had a drone workshop.
Yeah, that's
very cool.
And we learned all about aerodynamics. So we get into physics and associated with, you know, how does how does a drone hover, you know, kind of thing.
That's fascinating.
And
okay.
The other stuff we get into.
Should we turn the light off for this one?
Yes.
Okay, Hector, can we hit the lights? Okay, here we go.
Okay, this is really cool. We do DNA workshops. We have all kinds of amazing equipment to do DNA analysis. And this is a DNA forensics workshop, and this is a crime scene. And if you actually look at it, this is the crime scene DNA, and these are our different suspects. And if you look at it, this first one matches that one. So that's the person who actually committed the crime.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Guilty,
Yep.
Whoever owns
that was the guilty one.
DNA.
Exactly.
Wow, that's fascinating. And you know so many kids love it. Can we get the lights back on, please? I appreciate it. Thank you so much. That is just fascinating. So many kids. I know my niece, 18, she loves like forensic files and FBI. It's a little scary to me, but that's fascinating when it comes to this stuff.
And it's great because it's all hands-on. And this really is great in the perspective that the kids can actually learn how to do some of this type of work and then actually move on and get internships at some of our, like TGen and, you know, baroneurological, things like that.
That's like an amazing path, you know, setting them on a really good course.
Exactly.
Nikki, thank you so much. We're out of time, but we appreciate it. This is so fantastic. We did have the information up there on the screen. Yeah, if you're interested in heading out there, the Arizona Science Center always has so many cool things going on. So thank you so much, Nikki.
Thanks,
You're welcome.